everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm off to garage sales searching for items I can use in my dioramas and dollhouse makeovers.
Good, how are you?
One of the local churches is having a garage sale today. Hey, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying it. Thank you! Can I use this for anything? I can't think of anything. This is cute. It's a birdhouse. It looks like it's Polly Pocket scale. Ooh, yay, Barbie stuff. Looks like a lot of vintage Barbie clothes, but I already have too much of that. I need some new clothes. But looks like this bin has Barbie furniture. She sold it to me for $5. Looks like an inflatable chair. And the pool. Some fabric, a sleeping bag, and a tent. I was trying to see if I could remove the wire that's inside the tent so I can wash it, but it was sewn in. In this box, there's an oven top and lots of dishes. I thought this was an oven door, but it looks like it's a cabinet. Another sleeping bag, a desk, and this, I don't know what that is, a chair, a mannequin, a bed, and an ironing board. I actually need one for the laundry room. A baby stroller, and a closet. Okay, so I set everything up on the table. Here's the bedroom playset. Here's the original box. I found one selling on eBay for $100 US. Looks like I have most of the small accessories, but I am missing the vanity mirror and the floor lamp. The baby stroller is from this Alan and Ryan playset. I also found the mannequin selling on eBay for $17 US. I couldn't find the inflatable chair and pool. I also couldn't find the tent. I had to put in a dowel to hold it up. There was a lot of great stuff in the box. I think the purple dishes will look great in Elizabeth Taylor's kitchen. I think I got an awesome deal. It even came with a storage bin. What do you think? There's lots of Polly Pocket play sets. I used to collect those. I think I still have a couple of these. This is cute. I am running out of wall space, but it's small. This looks similar to this one, so I'm going to move the top one somewhere else. I probably got that one from the same garage sale. So the lady said I could have the whole box for $5, so I took it. I'm pretty sure I've been to this garage sale. I think they had one earlier this year. I don't know if I'm going to keep the organizer. The drawers are in rough shape, kind of gross. So I grabbed one of these organizers from Dollarama. I hate it when the stickers don't release easily. I love these brass pieces. I can use them as decor, candlestick holders, furniture legs or feet. In this drawer, there's these rubber round pieces. I have no idea what they're used for. I should have asked them. I can't think of anything right now of how I can use them. Can you think of anything? But I'm okay with getting rid of them because they don't smell that great. This will make a beautiful light fixture for Barbie. And this one's for me. So pretty. I paid $2. This is a pretty frame. It was $1. I think the scale is perfect for Barbie. The frame isn't too thick. This would look great over the fireplace. Should I change it? I think it's smaller than the one I had there originally. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.